This full integration wiring method, also known as the man-in-the-middle, is by far the most common for RTU applications. Turntide motor controllers come with two pre-wired cable harnesses, one for motor controller inputs and the other for motor controller outputs. Start by routing the pre-wired cable harnesses from the motor controller in the fan cabinet to the RTU's controls cabinet. The black cable is identified as 2-unit terminal board. This is the motor controller inputs. The white cable is labeled 2 thermostat. This is the motor controller outputs. Remove the thermostat wires from the unit terminal board G, Y1, Y2, W1, and W2. Do not remove any wires connected to the R and C terminals. First, connect the wires of the white 2 thermostat cable to the thermostat wires. In some situations, the thermostat wires may not follow conventional color coding. Connect the green wire to the wire removed from the G terminal, the yellow wire to the wire removed from the Y1 terminal, the blue wire to the wire removed from the Y2 terminal. If the unit does not have a Y2, the blue wire is not necessary. Terminate the wire with a wire nut or electrical tape. Connect the white wire to the wire removed from the W1 terminal and the brown wire to the wire removed from the W2 terminal. If the unit does not have a W2, the brown wire is not required. Terminate the end with a wire nut or electrical tape. Connect the wires of the black 2-unit control board to the unit terminal board at the location where the thermostat wires were removed earlier. Start by connecting the red wire to the R terminal and the black wire to the C terminal. Continue with the green wire to the G terminal, the yellow wire to the Y1 terminal, the blue wire to the Y2 wire if applicable. If there is no Y2 terminal, terminate the blue wire with a wire nut or electrical tape. Complete the process by connecting the white wire to the W1 terminal and the brown wire to the W2 terminal if applicable. If there is no W2 terminal, terminate the brown wire with a wire nut or electrical tape. With these steps, you've completed the control wiring terminations for a full integration motor install.